I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. The heat in the afternoon may lead to spotty thunderstorms, but mostly to the east of Highway 281. Otherwise, we'll see tomorrow continue to be 5 to 10 degrees warmer than normal, with highs in the low to mid-90s, slightly lower humidity, once again preventing those heat index readings from reaching near 100. A major pattern change of more active and cooler weather arrives with a cold front tracking southeast on Friday. Thunderstorm chances may arrive as soon as late tomorrow night into Friday morning. Those higher thunderstorm chances favoring Friday night through Saturday morning. Occasional thunderstorms, mostly in the evening through the overnight, remain possible Saturday night through Tuesday as storms develop in the west and track east and southeast. With that cold front's passage, highs on Friday drop into the low to mid-80s in central and western Nebraska and to around 90 elsewhere. Highs around 80 are expected on Saturday before cooling into the 70s on Sunday. Monday and Tuesday, even cooler, and highs right around 70. The cooling trend lingers through the long-term forecast. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures remain cooler than normal Monday through the first 2 days of September, especially the early to middle portion of next week. There is a slight decrease in rain chances from the previous outlook. Rainfall for Nebraska and Kansas Monday through September 2nd, expected to be near normal to slightly above normal. Key weather factors driving the markets include a strong cold front moving through the U.S. late this week through next week, and rain for Europe and Australia. Several cold fronts introduce progressively cooler air into the central and eastern U.S., except across the deep south. This weekend, highs remain below 70 in parts of the north-central U.S. The fall-like air settles in through the U.S. for much of next week. Each cold front sparks scattered rain, with some of the heaviest rain, locally 1 to 3 inches, falling in the southeast. Only isolated rain accompanies the cool conditions in the Midwest. Hot, mostly dry weather prevails along the Pacific coast and Northwest. Late next week, low pressure may form in the plains and push into the Midwest with rain, but there are still plenty of forecast model differences to work out. Across Europe, widespread rain is expected from France to Romania, along with cooler temperatures lowering crop stress. Another shot of rain may also move through Europe next week. In Northeast Australia, beneficial rain is reversing a recent dry trend. Western Australia expects another round of good rain for improving conditions as wheat starts to head. Eastern Australia not expected to see as much rain later this week as conditions get drier. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.